In this video right now, I'm going to show you exactly where I'm expecting HLBZ to go. You can see previous prediction was beautiful. There's obviously a testimonial in my Discord, which by the way is absolutely free. Go ahead and check it out. But yeah, that out of the way, let's get right into the video. Let's waste no time. First things first, disclaimer, nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice. And looking at the bottom right corner, even today and how much it has changed, it's 100% up. Right? I mean, I was correct about the bearish moves, but right now we're 100% up. So let's take a look. Okay, weekly time frame. I'm also going to delete a bunch of this stuff like right here because I definitely do not need it right now. Weekly chart, we're still in a bearish range. So as you can see, this is still kind of like hypothetically in a bearish range. Okay, now my expectation is to continue to fill this gap up. So my prediction is going to be a little something along these lines. So this is exactly what I'm expecting the price to do, to fill out the gap